Hey everybody, it's Kevin here, and I'd like to say a welcome and hello. So I am the marketing director for Stamp Anything if you don't know me, and for those who do, welcome back and hello. So it is some time for some much anticipated news, and that is the Stamp Anything Canadian Retreat for 2025. So the Stamp Anything Retreat for 2025 is going to be this year on June the 7th and 8th. At the Rod in Moncton, so the same place where we had it last time, and everybody had put in some suggestions, and the overwhelming theme that people wanted was Christmas. So the theme of this retreat is going to be called Stamp Anything Presents a Christmas Carol in Canada Weekend Retreat. So again, that is June 7th and 8th. The cost of the retreat is going to be $240 USD, all taxes in. So what it is going to be 2 full days of card making and projects and full kits. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have a minimum of 3 colored projects each day. So taught by myself, by Annie, the owner, and by Steven, one of our designers from Stamp Anything, as well as a non-coloring project. Now this retreat does focus on the use of Copic markers, and we will have a list provided for you in March. So I'm going to just refer to my notes over here just to make sure I don't miss anything. So it is our 2-day spring retreat, and that's going to be right here in Moncton on the 7th and 8th. So we're going to be doing all our card projects. We're also going to be having a swag bag, games and prizes. So your lunch, snacks, and beverages are included each day. As well, the hotel itself provides a breakfast, but we will also have snacks and breakfast, coffee, tea, etc. available in the morning for you. The Nick Nook has also graciously decided to once again have their 15% off shopping at their store for the retreat attendees. And what you'll be getting with the stamping retreat, other than the obvious instruction from us and all the kits and making all the wonderful projects, is you're going to be getting 2 6x8 stamp sets, and this year we're doing the matching outline dies as well. So for our first retreat, we kind of kept it a little smaller. This retreat, we're adding the outline dies, so you're going to be getting 2 6x8 stamp sets in a Christmas Carol theme. As well, you're going to be getting those outline dies as well now. So what do I need to tell you? So I'm just going through my notes. Okay, so the cost is $240. There are going to be a couple options for you to pay. So the retreat deposit is going to be $100 American. So when you go to our website, which is stampanything.com, to sign up, and I'll leave a link in this video as well, is you're going to go and you're going to see 2 options. You're going to see I'm going to just look on my screen here, and my phone's going to follow me, but there's going to be the Stamp Anything retreat deposit of $100 or the Stamp Anything retreat full payment of $240. So if you decide you want to just pay for the retreat all at once, you can do that, and there is an option to do that, and it's $240 US. If you just want to put a deposit down, the deposit is $100, and then you're going to get a drop-down menu when you check out. So it's going to choose 2 options, and those 2 options, and I'm just going to make sure I have them here. Well, I think I have them. Oh, here we go. Sorry. So your 2 options are going to be... Look at me being silly while trying to do this video. Okay, I think that page didn't print, but that's okay. I know what they are. So sorry about that interruption there. So when you go to that screen, it's going to give you an option to pay 1 additional payment of the $140, which is the balance. So that payment will be due on February 3rd. So if you decide to put down your deposit, you're going to either choose to pay 1 additional payment of $140 due February 3rd, and you'll have 10 days to pay that, and then your payment has been made in full. The second option is to put your $100 deposit, and then you'll have 4 remaining payments of $35 USD starting in January. So that'll be January 3rd, February 3rd, March 3rd, and April 3rd. Each one you've got my hat's popping off. You'll have 10 days to get those paid. So if you want to decide to, you know you want to go to the retreat, you just want to sign up, get your spot. I'm going to tell you right now, there's only 24 spots available for this retreat. So we've increased it from last year a little bit because we know the attendance is going to go up. We've already had a lot of confirmation of people who have been waiting for this announcement, waiting for the deposit to come up, and knew that they were going to be bringing extra people along with them for this retreat. So we did increase the number to 24. That is our max number. So if you know you want the retreat, sign up. You can either, again, pay in full, the $240, pay your deposit, and choose to either make a one-time later payment in February, because we're going to give you sort of like a grace month into the new year, that because you're going to be paying your deposit or your balance in full. Or again, you can make 4 easy payments of $35. And what will happen is when you select those, we're just going to invoice you. So you don't have to come to the website. You don't have to search anything out. It's going to be super easy. Once you pay on the site your deposit, we're going to just send you an invoice by email, and you'll be able to easily pay just like that. We're super excited. Like last year, we have t-shirts. We're going to have all kinds of awesome swag. And we're super excited to be doing this again with you. You were an awesome group. We can't wait to meet new people. Annie is super excited to be coming back to Canada. She's actually going to be coming a little bit longer this year, which is super fun. We had a blast, and every year we just want to kind of make things better and better for you and just increase. So right now, we have increased the cost of the retreat slightly, but that is just to cover the dies that we're doing 2 stamp sets with a full set of outline dies. Depending on how retreats go, we might make this a 3-day event. So our US our US retreats are usually 3 days. So those are always fun. So we're still at 2 days, but now we're increasing dies. So we'll see how it goes, but we want to always make things amazing for you. And the value is 100% there. So if you haven't been to a retreat before, just ask anybody who's been. And there is a new retreat group that you're going to be asked to join us on once you are once you've made your deposit. We will send you a message to say, please join this Facebook group. This is going to be a brand new group just for the people that are going to be attending the 2025 A Christmas Carol in Canada by Stamp Anniething group. And again, this retreat is June 7th and 8th of 2025, held in Moncton, New Brunswick, Canada. So that's all I wanted to share with you right now. Read all the details very thoroughly on our website, just so you can get an understanding of everything that we are going to be doing, what you need. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask on our Stamp Anniething Stampers page, or email me at kevin@stampanything.com, and I can answer your questions as well. Or you can talk to Nicola at the Nick Nook, because she'll have information as well. So I just wanted to say welcome back to all our new fannies from Canada and anyone who joined us, and welcome to our new fannies. So I'll leave the link in the description so you can go ahead and put your deposit in, and we look forward to seeing you. And this you may not know, but so the Stamp Anniething kits for the Christmas Carol in Canada retreat have actually already being started to be produced. So Anne has already started cutting kits, because we already have some of our card designs in. So we don't have our stamp sets, but we do have our cards that we're going to be making for our projects, and we've got some amazing, beautiful, wonderful card projects coming for you, and they've already been started to be produced. So we're super excited. As you can tell, I'm filming this November right now. It is Tuesday, November 19th, and we've already started to cut kits. So again, thank you for joining me. This video has probably been too long already, but hopefully you got all the information that you needed, and that you'll be able to visit us on our website, put in that deposit, and I can't wait to see you in June. Thanks very much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.